Then dip me underway. You can feel my breath flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
Welcome to my channel. As you can see, the wind is blowing poopies in my mind. I don't even have a microphone, so it's Batman. But you know what I'm saying? Like, we're out and about. As you can see, it's the Obis giving me a wink. Good time, baby. That's what's up. Catch you guys later when there's no wind, so I can talk to you properly. But Cliffy Beach, baby. I hope you guys can hear me because there's waves and stuff and there's wind. But yeah, we're here at the beach. You know what we do? Having some fun. The water is cold as hell. It is very cold. Do this for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne.
Hi guys, welcome to my movie dates with my girlfriend. So decided to take her out to Tiger Valley using entrance 8. Let's go in and see what we pick today. Ooh, it's so cool. Here's the leading lady. Say hi to my subbies.
Hi, my subbies.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Let's go pick a movie and let's enjoy. So we are done with the snacks. As you can see, she's holding the drink. I thought about it. I was like, let me be lenient. So we're gonna go to Cinema 8, which is this one. Going in here. come outside. How was the movie?
It was amazing.
Mm.
And I think that was a really good movie. He killed it right there. I mean, I enjoyed it. But one tip when you go to the movies, always remember to bring a jersey. It gets cold. It's really cold. Go back a because that's the part ezoch. Yeah. Guys, hello my beautiful. I hope you guys are good. I'm out and about with my friend, baby girls, living their best lives. We are just here to have fun. You understand that? You understand we are just here to enjoy the sun and the pool. You guys are gonna meet my friend. Usagcoba sunscreen busy manje yabonje. So ngiyafuna nje nithi hi kuyena yabo, nibe nice kodwa guys yabonje, nimbulise kahle, nibe nice to her. Uzoba idate yami nje, yazi nisezombona nje inkosi yami, ngizophila mina ngizomkhipha, ave ngikhipha ke yabo, umngani wami ngizokhipha mina, ngiyaspoiler. Ave ngispoilana. Guys ngicela ibuku, oh ugqoke nje orange. Sanibona my ena.
Mina ke umngani
Yebo.
ozokhishwa nje 2023 won.
Ave bengikusibenza ngispoiler
Umngani wami
empilweni.
spoiler nayo.
Ave ngizomspoiler, oh yazini. Guys, if ever nifuna ukuba nabangani, choose me. Ngizokuspoiler mina.
Futhi nikhethe kahle.
Ukhetha kahle, ukhetha abangani ukhethe kahle nje. Ave ngizonspoiler mina. Nje ngicela nibuke guys, we're out and about, we're about to like have a swim at the pool and chill and enjoy our time. Isayisama kahle kahle. Ningangibuzi ngendaba ukuthi my leg what. I don't have a leg but nginayo. Yabo nje.
Ndayeleki nje.
Bangangibuzi. Ikhona ileg but ayikho. Shopping ke. Nis enjoy life. Oh, also guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. I don't have to remind y'all. You understand?
Pepetting amani.
Quite a cringy. Hi. Suka mhlekazi son.
Listen, I was supposed to link up with this other girl, but when I thought about it, I was like, yo, driving all the way to Stanton, and what the fuck are we gonna talk about?
Hey, what do you mean? Ukuthi anina inoko ngam.
See, Tata.
Ay, sengiyashonza ibo. Awufuna le phone. Singamcela. Ngiphuza ngaphansi lo. I've been looking so homeless. I look so homeless. Hi, my beautiful people. I know I left you hanging yesterday, but it's a different day. It's a different day, sweetie. Today I'm going out with a friend, so I'm just getting ready quickly.
My cowboy pants too out of shape.
Let me see.
Whatever you're planning,
No, your pants are nice.
you're gonna have to restart.
No, I'm not gonna start. Your pants are nice. I'm probably thinking of wearing like jean sweats as well.
Changing my pants.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Or as I was saying, yeah, I'm taking you to a mini vlog type of situation. We're going out with a friend. Don't really know where we're going. She says she feels like a pasta, so that's probably what we're gonna do. But right now I'm still gonna moisturize my face. I know I look like a potato. I look like a potato in this. I'm just doing the regular up bun Rastafarian mama thingy and yarn. Face is made, baby. We are about to head out. We are going to the Godfather. I know. I left you guys hanging yesterday. I didn't really like end of the day, whatever. But you know what? It be like that sometimes. Honestly, it gets busy. So yeah, we're heading out to go to the Godfather with a friend of mine. We just decided to go to yeah, understand. So I hope you guys enjoy the journey with us. Do you want to say hi to my people? Do you want to tell them about our experience? We were going to.
No, you would drag this place and drag me into it.
We were meant to go to the Godfather, and life happened, Sana, because it's a Sunday, and we're at some place called. Hey, man. Hi, my people. You probably can't even do the loud music now. You're not cheap. But you know what? We're gonna wing it. I wanna show you guys around a little So this is my steak and my salad. It looks quite nice. My friend is having that big pot of whatever. I don't know what's there. Let me show you. I don't know what's brewing over there, but it looks quite nice. This is the sauce and this is the salad. Hi guys, I know it's 100 years later, but I'm trying to make a salad that I saw at this other place. So at the restaurant I was at, there's carrots, there's olives, there's some cucumber, and there's some beetroot as well as some lettuce. And over here I'm just going to chop up this feta, and then I'm going to like dress these with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. And yeah, that's going to be my salad. I'm trying to eat healthy lately, so let's see how that's gonna go. I'm also going to be making some food. I'll show you what I'll be making. Over here I've chopped up my broccoli and cauliflower to make the very famous salad that I've been seeing on socials. And then of course I'm going to be making some sweet corn as well. Just washed my peppers, the green, the red and the yellow. These are going to go into the salad that includes the, what are these things? The cauliflower as well as the other green thing. I forgot. I don't know why I can't speak today. This container, I'm going to make some balsamic vinegar as well as the olive oil just to dress the salad. I'm not going to, it's like, you know, a big bowl of salad. See, it's that big. So I'm not going to dress it right now. I'm going to dress it only when I'm going to eat it, because I'm going to like, I'm almost like meal prepping. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add these two. They're going to go in here just to prep my dressing so that when I'm about to eat, you know, it's chai. So I've just boiled my mix of cauliflower and broccoli, and I've like diced the different colors of peppers, and I'm basically going to wait for this to cool down and then, you know, finish it off. So yeah, now that it's cooled off, these are the rest of the ingredients. I had forgotten that I need to like also chop up some cheese. I think I'm going to add aromatic black pepper. Not so sure about the chili flakes, but I think I will. And I have this Be Well canola mayonnaise with reduced oil. I'm going to use that. I'm really trying to make this clean eating thing successful. I don't make the same mistake. So now we're making the dressing for our salad. I am going to add some honey as well as some mustard. I'm not even gonna lie, this mustard looks very questionable. I ordered it on Checkers 60 and it's not making sure Sana. Some other stuff was like out of stock. And this mayonnaise, yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. I tasted the mustard. It does taste okay. It's not like bad. And I added some honey and the mayo. I'm going to mix this together
add those to my salad and done. So I'm going to be baking this chicken breast with mozzarella, some lemon, and I think there's also the herb that's here is rosemary. I bought this already done at Woolies, and I'm just going to cover it with some foil, and I'm going to preheat the oven to 108, I think. Here I am covering it up. I'm back. Hi, I come back. My name is Warabile, and this is my brother. Hi guys, I'm back. I know I keep disappearing because Zara. Oh, go. No, I don't recommend corporate, my sweetie. Don't do it. Come and Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. This is not a new vlog. I just went AWOL on you guys, and I'm really sorry about that. But I'm just here to show you something very small, and then I'm gonna get on with my day and show you guys where I go, what I do, and all of that. I don't want to promise you too much because so yeah, let me just show you. Excuse everything you see in the background, Sana. It's going down. Eva, it's going down. There's just a lot happening. But nonetheless, I'm going to show you guys a delivery that I just got. So okay, I'm back on my boom. So I decided to buy I was very consistent last year with the intermittent fasting, and I really did see the results. So this year I'm choosing to go in hard, okay? So I decided to start on the Herbalife journey and try that and see how that's gonna go. Although I'm not really a fan of supplements and shakes and all of that, but I just want to try it and see how it's gonna work, because the December weight gain is upon me. So let me show you guys that, and I will see you soon. Cool. So here's the big package. I've already opened it. As usual, you know the vibes. Let me show you. So this is what's in here. Aloe vera, the concentrated drink. Then it comes with a bottle, shaker bottle. Then there is the shake mix, and then there is, what's this? Instant herbal beverage with tea extract. Okay. And then what is this? Multi-fiber. I probably need this because one thing about my metabolism, it is the slowest. It is slower than a snail. And then there's a tape measure to track your progress in terms of circumference, and I think this would I don't think there's pills here, I don't know, I guess, but just to keep your tablets, if there's tablets, I don't know. And then there's the scoop to measure your shake with, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys a little bit later.
I am so troubled by the soul of mine. I've said those words so many times. I need you in this life. I need you in this life.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my breath now.